My name is Wenzi Wang, and here's my senior project proposal presentation. My topic is headphone amplifier. Let's move on the next page. For this page, I'm talking about the outline. There is six parts I'm going to talk about, which are introduction, purpose, problem statement, proposed solution, block diagram of amplifier, and the timeline. And you can see the picture on the page. It's a vacuum tube amplifier. The blue light on the top showing the picture is a vacuum tube, and the bottom part is the circuit part. The reason why I choose headphone amplifier as my topic, because I'm very interested in audio devices, and I want to know the more about process making and the science behind the amplifier and the headphones. Also, as showing the picture, uh, that hybrid amplifier is a new kind of headphone amplifier, and there are three components in the block diagram: promotion of market development of a hybrid amplifier, later popularity, and the impact to the life of customer. For the purpose, the hybrid amplifier is made with the tube stage together with solid state stage to amplify the signal, which has unique characteristics of both tube amplifier and solid state amplifier. Headphone amplifiers are simple power amps designed to drive tiny speakers inside a headphone. With good headphones, a good source, and a good headphone amplifier can be surprised at the level of audio performance you never heard before. In fact, well, speaker system can auto perform headphones in terms of imaging and visual impact. Headphones can deliver much superior resolution and detail. The goal of this design is to make a low voltage hybrid amplifier which can be tested without safety issue and expense issues. The circuit is hybrid circuits, but the solid state circuits amplifiers also have part of the market share and their own group of audience, just not as much as vacuum tube amplifiers do. It means no matter which kind of amplifier group choose to design, group have to abandon a great parts of the market share. Uh, how does the vacuum tube work? Basically, a voltage controls the current. Essentially, within a vacuum tube, a cathode is heated such that electrons are boiled off. Surrounding the cathode is a metal cylinder called plate. If a battery or DC power supply is connected across the cathode and the plate, the electrons surround the cathode will be drawn through space to touch with the plate. The electrons flow from the plate through the battery to the cathode. If a resistor is placed in series with the plate and the plate current is varied by the applied grid cathode voltage, the voltage causes the resistor changes in proportion. Thus, a relatively small grid cathode voltage change can cause relatively large voltage change to cross the plate resistor. The tube can amplify the input signal. In this page, I'm talking about the block diagram of the amplifier. The block start with the input, which we choose is output, and then it go to vacuum tube amplifier. Vacuum tube amplifier needs a E12 delay circuits to warm up, and both of vacuum tube and solid states need a 27 voltage supply. After that, signal goes to output, which is headphone. This is the timeline for our project. I divided the timeline based on the Dressel calendar, and we're gonna spend more time on the design part and the modification part.